Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this charming mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 29,418 miles and it's finished in the colour Midnight Black. This is a very stylish small hatchback that comes with some very impressive features. It looks very menacing with the John Cooper Works bodywork. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You also have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Mini comes with keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. You can also fold the door mirrors in. Taking a look in the boot, you will find 211 litres of space. This can be increased to 731 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your very stylish part leather interior with the suede Alcantara seats. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your sporty John Cooper Works front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel you have your cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. To the right you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You've got your display here in the instrument cluster where you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption and a digital speedometer. Centered in the dashboard here you have your infotainment system. It's touchscreen, or you can use the dial and buttons here in the center console. The system does have access to your DAB and FM radio. You can also play your own music with USB input and Bluetooth audio. You have your communication page where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You can also access your Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth apps. In your My Mini menu, you've got access to vehicle and system settings. There's also your vehicle status, where you can see vehicle messages and look at service history. You've got your vehicle apps with weather and news. This Mini does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a rear camera, making parking much easier. Below from your display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You've got a 12-volt socket there as well as USB input. You also have two cup holders, and here in the center console you have your 6-speed manual gear selector.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.